everybody. It's indeed a pleasure for me to stand in the premise of IHMR and talk about my journey in IHMR and also about some of the advices that I would like to give to the future students. I'm Dr. Dinesh Tripathi, who belongs to the medical fraternity, and I'm 12th batch student from IHMR. My journey in IHMR has been very exemplary. I would say that it has made me think on the broader horizon. It has really broadened the entire way of the perspectives that I thought while before I joined the organization, and it has also made me a seasoned healthcare management professional. Whatever teachings that we got from the seasoned and the prolific professors here, they have made me a more thought rich and knowledgeable individual. As far as my advice to the future students goes, I personally feel that this is a very niche area. Once you have decided to come into this career, it's better that you be focused, stay focused, and understand the holistic landscape of how healthcare is evolving, how it is how it has been in the past and how it is going to be in the future. So there's huge arena of opportunity here. Just make sure that you have your goal set up, and once you have decided, try to pursue it with full diligence and hard work. There's the couple of opportunities in terms of jobs. There is huge job opportunities lying in the market. From the industry side, if I speak, you would be amazed to see that there are thousands and thousands of jobs for people who are healthcare management professionals. It ranges from hospitals, consulting, healthcare information technology, and so on and so forth. So just as a on the concluding point, I would just say wishing all of the future students all the best, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on behalf of IHMR. Thank you so much.